Welcome to the Teaching Bites podcast. Here are your hosts, Fred and Sharon Jaravada.
Hey everyone, my name is Fred Jaravada and welcome to the Teaching Bites show where we connect you with people and ideas to take your teaching to that next level that you want to take. So, this is my host.
Sharon Jaravada.
That's a long pause there, Sharon. What's going on?
Yeah, co-host or...
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What did I say?
My host.
Oh, did I say that?
Yeah.
I think it's this weird tea.
Okay.
It's kind of this weird...
You don't drink
green,
tea very much, so I'm kind of surprised.
This is this green Japanese Yama, whatever.
Moto Yama.
Yama.
If
green
you
tea.
guys like tea, you gotta get Yamamoto Yama green tea, any kind. It's pretty affordable.
This is the green tea
I
one.
really
right?
like.
It's good.
I'm a
It is
green
good.
tea freak. So
I'm not a tea fan. I'm a coffee dude. And this
you mean
tea
coffee
actually,
snob?
Yeah, but I still drink the hotel, in your room coffee. I'll drink that.
With a grin, like yeah.
No, but I do that. When I was at South by Southwest the other day, the week, I was drinking the hotel coffee because it was free.
Yeah.
So it's more. I'm a snob, but I also I'm a snob about my money.
That's right. Well, anyway, we are back. Hello, everyone. How's it going? Today we have a special, amazing announcement. We've been hyping up for past couple episodes.
Yes. So we've been teaching here in the San Francisco Bay Area, in San Francisco itself, the beautiful city of San Francisco. I'm a native of San Francisco. Been living here 40 plus years. I'm dating myself, but yes. I've been teaching 18 years. Okay. And Sharon.
Yeah, and I've been living here for 16 years and teaching for 15.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been here a long time.
But you're from
know?
LA originally.
Yeah.
Southern Cali.
Right. Came here to get to, figure out the city life, live it, see how it is.
And we love it in San Francisco, but we can't afford it. You probably hear, and it's true, San Francisco is really, really expensive, especially for a couple like us that has 2 young kids, 2 teachers, teacher salary with 2 young boys, and we just can't afford living here anymore. So with that, we're moving.
Do-do-do-do.
Yep. So we are moving not too far, a couple hours away. We are moving up in Northern California, the greater Sacramento area. So the homes there are much more affordable. The house that we are buying, it's brand new. It hasn't even been built yet. It's going to be built this winter. And I think winter, right? Or right before Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Mm-hmm. And we're excited about that.
Yeah, can't wait. Time
So,
to slow down.
We are so excited. Basically, a home, let's see, a 1,200 or a 2,000 square foot home in San Francisco. And it would cost about, let me do it by square footage. If you buy, by price, okay? You can buy a house in San Francisco about $700,000. I'm just generalizing here. $700,000, you can get maybe a 3-bedroom home. And it's a small home. It's going to be about 2,000 square feet, 1,800 to 2,000, 20 to 200 square feet. And that's for about $700,000 here in the city of San Francisco.
Well, and then you have to fix it.
Because these homes are old, right? Mm-hmm. So a lot of these homes needs updating and be up to code and so on. But also, if you want to redesign if you want to have open concept home, you're gonna drop some serious bucks. And even before that, you need to be in a bidding war.
Right.
And we don't have
100,000,
120,000, 200,000 to drop. We can't do that. We can't compete.
But even we thought we would live here, but then at maybe 5 years ago, we're like, it's not going to work. So we thought about outside of San Francisco, like East Bay, more affordable, farther from the city, more suburban. But that too, you have to bidding war.
Yeah, it's getting more expensive. Yeah.
And it's just not
It's
what
a
we
struggle.
want to do.
It's a
And
struggle.
we're thinking like, why are we struggling so hard to try to get the small place get a fix?
Mm-hmm.
And you're going to have to always be worried about it. And you're not even sure if the school district's good, right? So that's important to us. So we're like, let's get out. So one day, Fred,
Mm-hmm.
he said, let's go visit this place.
Mm-hmm. It's a suburb. We're not going to name it right now. It's a suburb of Sacramento, and it's up and coming, and it's really great. Yeah, so we just wanted to go visit it, and we went to the model homes. We were lucky enough to meet some friends who live up there, and some college friends who live up there right now with their two teenage boys, and we went to the model homes, and I swear, the prices. And when she went up there, she didn't know what's going on.
Yeah, I've only heard of it through my friend.
Right.
But I don't know anything. I didn't know anything about it at all.
So my friend, a couple, right? So me and the husband, my friend, we were walking around ahead of Sharon and the group, and I could hear Sharon yelling, "Oh my God!
And then,
crap!
and I was like,
my goodness!
I was like, what?
Bleep, bleep, bleep!" She couldn't believe the prices of the homes and the square footage and the open concept of these homes, because these are just model homes and they're not yet built, so you can customize a lot of things.
Right, and the fact that it was only 2 hours from San Francisco, I never imagined that I could be this close still and be a homeowner.
Yes, because we're only 2 hours away, and then we have tons of friends and family here in the Bay Area, so it's good. We can just drive down.
I think from that day, I'm like, this could be it, right? I mean, we're kind of just thinking about it. And we're like, okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
So
that was is a huge thing. We went to the we plopped down our down payment and went to the design center and do all that fancy stuff. Look, so the design center, if you don't know, you're supposed to go there. You and like me and Sharon, we go there and invite us to pick out what type of hardwood floors, the colors, cabinets, flooring, all that stuff.
The counters,
right?
the carpet,
all that
features.
stuff, right? They said Fred, 3 hours. Told us 3 hours. I'm like, you know what? I could do this in 1 hour. I could do this in an hour and a half.
And then I was like, sure, I'm just going to let you believe that. And then when we got there,
oh my God.
We were there for 3 hours.
Seriously.
4 hours.
By the time I checked my watch, it was past 3 hours. It's about 3 hours and 15 minutes.
But it was fun, right? You said it was really fun.
I gotta admit, I got sucked into it, and I was really into it, So, yeah, 3 hours, it actually worked out. And it was... I mean, there were stuff we had to hold back, right? I mean, we wanted the top end stuff. That we went like that first, and then we had to scale it back a little bit. And we had a debate, the next week or so, trying to figure out, do we want this wood floor with this wider spaces in between the grooves, or something narrower? The color.
Yeah, there was a lot of discussion about what we wanted, what could we let go of.
So a lot of choices. Sometimes choices are. I love choices, but sometimes they just, stifle you.
Yeah, and I'm Fred's the more quick to decide kind of person, and I'm the more, I mull it over a lot. So before we went, we're like, okay, I gotta be more decisive, and you gotta be more patient.
Mm-hmm.
So I think we did fine. We didn't argue.
Nope.
But the important thing to know is that we have a family friend who's a realtor, which we didn't mention. So he helped us through the process.
He's actually one of my best friends.
Yeah.
His wife, one of my best friends, Ed Soriano, if you're listening, what's up? His wife, Connie, and we work with them at Take One Academy. We were STEM directors with them last summer, and I think this summer we'll be working with them again this year. Connie's brother-in-law is a realtor up there, and we were able to connect with him, and it so helps. Our journey of trying to figure things out, and just seeing what's important, what's not important, what should we concentrate on, what we shouldn't concentrate on, and so on. And he gave us a lot of some really practical tips, and it was very, very helpful.
Yeah, and he said that even between resales and brand new, it was so hard to sell a resale, because most people just you get a brand new house for the same price as a resale. Right, so that's why we are one of the brand new home buyers.
Right, because it's the same price. So,
but they're wondering where we're going.
Who?
All the listeners. You guys are probably wondering where we're going.
Well, we'll reveal that. I don't want to reveal that yet. I know you want to.
Okay, we're gonna.
So I don't want to be mobbed. I don't want to walk around. You guys mob us. Walk around the mall, or walking around the coffee shop, and hey, that's Fred and Sharon. Hey. Gotta keep some privacy here, you know.
Yeah, I know.
But we'll be in the Sacramento area. If you're up there listening to us, hey, what's up? We're gonna be neighbors. We want to do something with you guys. But you know what? One thing's great about having this podcast, we are still gonna do this podcast. We're gonna still pump out a lot of great stuff, information for you guys, and we have some interesting things. So, the next episode after this, we're gonna be talking about our jobs, and how, you know, we got to quit our jobs. We got to look for jobs, designing a resume,
writing cover letters to getting recommendation letters,
looking for interviews, how to get an interview,
so
what do you do during
all the
interviews,
things that we've
after
been
interviews.
Journeying through, because we haven't looked for a job in
Journeying
forever.
Is that real?
Journeying? I don't know.
Journeying.
Just thought of that.
Okay.
Just our journey. So we thought we'd take you along with us and, you know, give you some tips.
And ideas, yep,
And
exactly.
So you know what's going on.
So I know this is the time. This is about late March now, and the hiring season has started about a month ago or so around the nation. I'm assuming this is pretty much the time. But I know people get hired and fired or get contracts the day of school or maybe the day week school has started.
School starts.
Right.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But hopefully you don't have to go through that. So we're gonna give you guys some things that we've done, what we experienced, and so you can take that with your journey when you find a new job or moving to a new town and so on.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right.
So, folks, that is our special announcement. We're excited. We're excited to have you join us and listening to us, and we really thank you for being there with us. And what's called? We're gonna have one of our rooms. It's gonna be a podcasting room. So it's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, we're gonna have all this equipment like already set up all the time and soundproof.
Yeah, because we break down all this equipment and mixers. We have all this. We're gonna take a picture of this setup. It's just a hassle. So it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, and I don't think you're gonna hear those sirens anymore. Look, you used to hear.
Yeah. So. All right, folks.
All right.
We'll see you on the other side. Take care. Peace, love, and happiness.
Bye.